Hello everyone. This question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of Playing with Numbers. This is sixth question of exercise 3.7. So the question says that the traffic lights at three different road crossing changes after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds, and 108 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously at 7 am, at what time will they change simultaneously again? So हमें यहाँ पे LCM फाइंड आउट करना है. LCM of 48, 72 and 108. So LCM हो जाएगा इसका 48, 72 and 108. So फर्स्टली 2 से देखेंगे हम, हो जाएगा 2 4 and 27 as it is. Then 2, 3, 9 and 27. So यहाँ पास 3, 1, 3 and 9, 3, 1, 1 and 9, 3, 3 आ जाएगा 1, 1, 1. So हमारे पास LCM हो जाएगा. LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. LCM हो जाएगा हमारे पास 432. So after 432 seconds they change simultaneously again. Thank you.